Hello you guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you are welcome. See the priest wants you to come and carry somebody has found the ground. Today is Sunday. It's a very beautiful Sunday. I don't know, there's no light. Okay, yeah. So today is a very beautiful Sunday. We are on our way. We are going to Yaoundé. I'm here with my husband. Say hello. Say hello. That's my husband. We have Splendor. We are on our way to Yaoundé, but we are now we are now at the outskirts. We are around Tradex. We want to change our oil. Let me show you guys. Where do you want me to carry you to? Can you see this Tradex? We want to change our oil. Our oil. That's the car. We want to change the oil. We are going to Yaoundé. So I'm excited because I'm going to Yaoundé today for the second time. Leave my hand and go now. So I'm going to Yaoundé for the second time. The first time I went to Yaoundé, I didn't have enough time to vlog. I was tired. But today, I think I have the time. I might have the time because Splendor is going to be with Praise. And also today we took her car seat, even though we left very late, but at least today is better. This is my hair. Yes, so I'm wearing, oh Praise, you're just falling anyhow. I'm wearing this my slippers that I got them the day I was doing that live stream. If you know, you know. Yeah. So that's it. I'm going to keep you guys updated. And this trip this time around, I feel like it's going to be more fun than last time, because last time I was curious, I was anxious what the road is going to look like and everything. But this time around, I am prepped. Even though we left the house late, we left the house around 9 o'clock, and now we have to stop to change the oil. So this time around, I'm no longer nervous. I'm just like looking at the journey, how it's going to be and everything. The food we have at Puma, buy some bush meat. This vlog, you guys will be lit, and we are going there for something very, very special. So keep your hands, just subscribe, be glued on the channel for updates. Okay, the first time we went there, I went to see my friend that was not feeling okay, but this time around, I'm going for something exciting. Very soon we shall talk it.
Really sure?
No, I'm doing a video. Very soon we are the target of a day. See, they begin to worry me. They begin to worry me. Aye. She want that phone. You want phone? You come up with Bella with phone. You come up with Bella with phone. See face.
Stop.
You guys, look at what we bought here at the Edea toll gate. Komia, I know that's how they call it.
It is how.
It's not. It's very nice. Splendor, do you know Komia? Eat everything. Just eat it there. It's not nice. It's very nice. You know Komia now. But I chew now. You think I'm supposed to chew before I give you? Komia, it's nice. It's nice, huh? It's nice, yeah. You don't know it. You don't restaurant with him. I can't restaurant where they said I can't chop them for him.
I gas with my gas.
You can go in a gas. It's nice. Very nice. Come here. We should go pick on gongo. Tell them gongo.
Give me.
You want those spoil? Take on this. You want those spoil? Don't spoil now. If people there, I think I don't like for buying the toll gate. Because most of the time they go to our water, they can't sell our pets, but you know they're good at all. Look at this one is not nice. Where am I give for the head them? That first one should probably they fine. But the one in that I don't say come on. That's plum.
They cook on.
You like cook them? I don't know. I don't forget it. They dry them. Dry. Yeah, it crack. You know, but the crisis is not before going to Japan. Really nice. 500. My mommy. So wait on. Say quanto. Now very good nuts. I mean, these nuts they be very good for health. I know they call it komia. I don't know the English name. They have a round so it's small, it's just small so. They're lemon, the size, you know. I mean limes. They're limes, some sizes. It took it, this is the cost traffic for you, no matter.
Change.
No, they change oil for token.
I change.
Change. So it took it to there. Token on Korean highway not supposed to do so. Cracker, I have to change her dress. She doesn't want to sit on her car seat. Where? That's which we're doing inside motor here.
That's the one they go here. The first one say they go inside, say they go past now.
The last time I buy a coconut for here. Can you see it? Look this way. Are you seeing that big? Are you seeing something that way very big like that? That big house there, that's the big house now. This is your river, it's River Senegal.
They still not pushing from that receipt from the clearly.
This one you cannot see.
That's the way they talk to me, they see. Press to if he say.
Can you see that one?
Press to he say. Press to no say. That bridge like that, people they do too. That gas station there. See those people. See up there. See. Over here you see that same pipe.
No, look at that thing. That is the thing next to the water there. Can you see it now very well?
That's the water. I see huge water. Yeah, grandpa and this one, they stand out there. Varang. We chop varang. We always stand at shop. Buy chop, so buy one chop here. And one cross road motor. No man in there. Oh, varang.
You guys, we are now at Puma, or is it Puma? P-O-U-M-A, Puma. That's where we are. The last time we were traveling, when we got here, we bought bush meats. You guys, when we're going, we stop here, we bought a bush meat. When we're coming back again, we stopped here, we bought bush meat. And let me just say this, you guys, it's not easy vlogging with a child. This child has her car seat, but she has refused not to sit on the car seat. And even now that she's sleeping, I can't put her on the car seat because she'll just wake up. So the only thing I have to do is to put on my seat belt, because I'm putting my seat belt, and then I have to carry her. It's not easy vlogging. So my husband just wants to get us some bush meat. Let's enjoy, okay? So it's really fun traveling because you get to eat anything you want. Like, I wish I love traveling, but I don't love traveling because of the stress and then having a baby. So I don't love traveling. But if na air, though I never entered plane before, but if na air, maybe I would like it. Yeah. So see you later. You guys, we are eating our meat. bush meat with cassava. This my own has pepper. My husband on his bush pig. Tastes so nice. This my own have salt as well. This my husband one is so nice. The one he's eating. You guys. Meat is everything. Hey, pass. This is Yaoundé Péage.
Always one take.
Yaoundé Péage. We are now at Yaoundé Péage. The journey so far has been amazing. Mother, say hello. No. What do you want? Chai plum it is a fine plum. But over chop. Chai. Cinquante.
Quelle la plume c'est combien? 50. Test non? Take one of the test.
In this place called Yaoundé, food is so cheap. Can you see this plum? The size of this plum. It costs 50 francs. A full black wrapping of good plum is 500. In Boya, one plum this size is 100. Some people sell it 150 for one plum. You guys, if you're ever going to Yaoundé, just stop here. You get your plantains, you get your cocoyams, and you have other fruits here so cheap. I'm all for cheap things. Like, I never get money, so I'm always looking for where there are cheaper options. So this place called Yaoundé.
This is power on the steering, man.
This place called Yaoundé. I'm telling you guys. See plum for 500. One pan plum for 500. In Boya, that pan is 2,000. You guys can't even see it. 2,000. See, one pan. Jesus Christ is Lord. You guys, we finally made it to Yaoundé. We are now at the last péage before entering Yaoundé. Here, what you can get is banana. Banana, the last péage. Let me show you guys. You guys, I don't know if I said this in the last vlog. We have Muselele, we have Edea, we have Bankumo. Okay, we have Yaoundé, we have Bankumo. So we have 4 péages from Boya to Yaoundé. 4 péages. So when going back, we still have 4 péages. That's 2,000 francs. Interesting. Something happened, you guys. That's why we are still on the road up to 5 o'clock. Something happened. Something happened. Something happened. Radar catch we. We were running at a speed of 78 instead of 60. They catch we. And guess what? Najoli Vanson. So I'm already getting the flavor, the beauty of Yaoundé. Oh my God. Right now we just need to go there, get a place, put our heads to rest, and then I'll show you guys. Yaoundé. Today, my spirit is up to vlog. But this girl, this is the 3rd time she's sleeping. The 3rd time today. And she has been disturbing terrain à vendre. So if you need land, come and buy land in Yaoundé. I'm seeing a signboard, land for sale. We are not actually in Yaoundé, but we are close to Yaoundé. That's it. Bankomo. There are some names there on these roads. I can't even pronounce them. I don't feel lie. There are some names that they so many names that I can't even pronounce them. Cha, this trip is the sweetest trip ever. Oh, anyways, the sweetest in two. But this time around, the only challenge I have is this girl not willing to sit on her car seat. Anyways, let's go, you guys. I have something special to tell you, so let's go.
Security with the police. We'll go out. I mean, what I will show you is more follow the traffic. And then I will slap their teeth. Gars, viens, trompe pas, viens. Dis ça, mon gneu. Oui, viens, on part. Je vais tirer sur mon frère.
Les parents n'ont pas il n'y a pas la moto. Sinon, il part. Il y a sur la moto, il n'y a pas.
On va comment? Aujourd'hui, cette image-là.
Allez comme ça, monter la colline.
Nous,
Avec la pause à Melbourne derrière,
on a laissé la pause
par ici. On n'est même pas arrivé à la pause.
Pour mieux arriver en van, on peut faire comment? De là où on part là.
C'est net. Même là où vous m'avez pris là, vous allez tout droit. Sortir en van. Vous allez jancer là. C'est le week-end.
Talcom cooperative. Don't Talcom, most of their business are their bill. Le carrefour que vous avez pris là-bas, c'est
Éducation.
éducation.
Oui.
Il y a le ministère des Finances là-bas.
Un peu plus haut. Pas encore même fait croissant, mais là où je m'appelle. Arrivé aux finances.
Et pas arriver au poste.
Pour c'est au moins 1,5 km.
Poste central. C'est là où on prend les voitures pour aller à Soir.
Non, Soir c'est à Camer. Quand tu rapproches, tu montes encore la côte.
On va comment tout droit?
Tout droit.
It's night already, so I want to show you guys our room. When you enter here, you see the first section, just a chair and a table. You have our bed. This place is so clean, like the rooms are clean. My God, you guys, the rooms are clean. And then we have our TV here, the AC is there. Oh my God, very cool. This hotel in America. Can you guys see the room? Though the bed is small. Oh my God. Then they have a wardrobe there. You have they have a wardrobe there, nothing inside. Nothing is there. My mom is calling me.